In this video, I will show you how to fix known issues with graphic driver in Infinity Nikki. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. It's quite simple to fix the issue because this type of issue is occurring because of your graphic card driver. So the only thing that works for a lot of users is update your graphic card to the latest version. To do that, simply click on the window icon, press and open the driver manager. Here in the device manager, select the display adapter and right click on your graphic card. Then open the update driver button. Here simply click on the search automatically for driver, and once this gives you the option the best driver for your device are already installed. If you have a habit of drivers from browser, so if you have AMD graphic card, the next step is open any browser and search for AMD graphic card driver. Open the first website, it will be official AMD website. So here click on this download window driver. Once the file is downloaded, then locate in the download directory, right click on it and open it. It will install and download the latest version of your graphic card driver. So it's the first thing you need to do, and after doing this step, make sure you have a restart your device. It is compulsory. After updating your data, make sure that you have restarted your device, then start the game. The issue will be fixed, and that's it, you are done.